Welcome to Blizzard 2011. The date's February 2nd, 2011. This yard's we got really heavy winds out here. It's like right there. Look at that snow. It's like over in this yardstick. I'm not sure. You can just see that our street hasn't even been plowed yet. I zoom in down there, yeah, nothing's plowed.
Wait, look.
The snowplow hasn't even come. You guys ever see this? Like, this is 4 feet. Right here, this is 4 feet. This is 4.5 feet. We got everybody. A few people came out earlier and did this. Some people just got out. This is crazy. Welcome to February. If you watch one of my previous videos, we've got last night, February 1st, and all the snowfall. And this accumulated overnight to over 4.5 feet in some places. The average snowfall out there is about 3 feet. Out there it's about 4 feet. It's deep snow. The entire community could have been in trouble. This is Great Lake, Illinois, about 55 miles north of Chicago. We're on the Wisconsin-Illinois border. This is winter. This is insane.